Welcome to our MovicTech channel. In this video we are going to have a tour in the glass bottle factory together. You are going to see different designs of bottle in terms of shape, size, and so on. Today our channel focuses on designing and manufacturing the glass bottles for different application fields such as breweries industry, beverage industry, condiment industry, cosmetics industry, food processing industry, etc. If you are interested in glass bottle or if you are looking for the glass bottle for your product in one of above mentioned industries, then you are at the right place. Take a look in this video captured straight from the factory to have an idea of our manufacturing power. Then, let's start our tour. Here we go. The background sound is the real sound from the factory. It's a bit noisy, but that is the real scene. We kept it to let you feel that you are making your tour in the factory. Now you can see different production lines. Each production line can make different designs of bottles at the same time. For mass production, all lines can be configured to produce one design of bottle. Our warehouses have enough space for customers' products' temporal storage as well. Now as you have finished your tour inside the factory, then you can contact us for more details and possible business partnership with more benefits such as product quality is guaranteed, customized products are accepted, we provide low price quotation straight from the factory, high production capacity, long-term partnership guaranteed. Thank you for watching. More videos are to come, hope to see you next time.